I don't know if you can hear this, but it's leaking. Can you hear it? Oh shoot, you can't hear it. But anyway, it's leaking. And if I keep the compressor on, it'll just keep turning on and off. Or if I shut the compressor off, then it'll just be empty and I'll have to run the compressor before I use it. So what I've found is if you keep it open, put something in it, push it a couple times, then what that's doing is pushing crap out. And now, put it all the way in, pull it all the way out. There, not leaking at all.